Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, from Fort Collins, Colorado. It's early morning on a Saturday, and I'm here with my man DeBits riding the bike. I'm sitting in the trailer. We are headed down to the 25th anniversary of the largest costume bike parade on planet Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Tour de Fat. That was one of the greatest tiny whip adventures of my life. So I gotta say a huge thank you to DeBits for carting me around the world's largest bike parade. Shout out to New Belgium Brewery for celebrating 25 years of bringing community together through bikes and beer. And of course to Precision E-Bike, who hooked us up with this awesome trailer and e-bike to make this whole thing possible. I'll never forget today. Thanks everybody on the Tiny Whip YouTube channel for joining us, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.